Hi there, I'm Maria, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use time estimates in Productive. To turn time estimates on, head to your settings. Keep in mind that you can turn them on or off for each individual project. Now let's start by taking a look at the big picture. For product managers, this is the place where you can see all the fields regarding task time estimation and how they're connected. At the beginning, you'll have some initial estimate. We suggest you don't change this value along the way because it's meant to serve as historical data. All estimations along the way should be done in the time to complete field. Once the initial time estimate is set, the time to complete field will start counting down until all the estimated time has been spent. In other words, the amount will decrease as teammates track time. Or you can manually adjust the amount by estimating on the go. The estimate at completion field shows you how much time you'll use to actually complete the task. It's the sum of work time and time to complete. The variance at completion field shows you the difference between the initial estimate and time to complete, meaning that at any time you can know how your initial estimate stands in comparison to actual time usage along the way. Now let's take a look at the estimation workflow in a new task. Let's say that you set your initial estimate to 20 hours. As you enter 20 hours, the time to complete will start counting down. Editing the initial estimate along the way won't automatically affect the time to complete value. If you want to adjust time to complete, you can do it manually. You can add these fields to your project insights and create a pulse to stay on top of your task progress. That's all from us this time. If you need any help with how to use task estimates, feel free to reach out to us.